Hello and welcome to Taboretum channel. Today a bit crazy episode because I just thought let's use tea light and boil water in 3D printed plastic container. Guess what happened? So the idea was that if you have water inside and this water is getting the heat out of the plastic fast enough, and the plastic, this PLA, has a temperature of deformation around 137 Celsius, then theoretically you should be able to boil water in a plastic container. And actually in my survival trainings, I was taught that you can boil water in a zip bag if you don't have air inside and is full of water, and the plastic has enough time to actually pass the heat to the water. So let's see if these two can actually work. What do you think? Stay tuned. The first idea was simple. Tea light, heat going through the chimney and warming water inside. And my beloved print as a vase design, so it is, as you can see, two pieces, and guess what? Not enough heat. And it was the just typical PLA, so you can see that it actually melted a bit over here, but don't remember exactly the temperature, but not a huge success. So this was the tea light in the chimney. Then the next idea, okay, so the tea light is not really producing enough heat, so let's go for the alcohol oven. And this was a plastic regular PLA version, and then the PLA that is heat resistant. And again, guess what? Not enough heat. So the next design was like this. Let's make it smaller, as you can see. Let's make it smaller, closer to the flame. Again, not enough heat. So let's make it even smaller. Guess what? Not enough heat. So the next version, let's make it a cone shape and more fancy. Guess what? Not enough heat. I decided to move it closer to the wall and it melted a bit. So let's make it even smaller. Right, you can see this one is smaller, and this one actually I think was 90 something, and it melted a bit over here and melted a bit over here, and again not boiling. Okay, so what do we have here? A torch, tea light. Now let's give it a start. Yeah, don't need a torch anymore. Tea light starts up. A stand, a 3D printed plastic container that I've already tested, so you can see some burns here, and it stayed alive. The container has a cover with actually it's a piece of glass, like a watch glass, and a hole here for the stake thermometer that will get in, and here is the thermometer. So what we do now, we put the stand on top, we pour water here, and actually I'm not gonna use totally cold water because we don't want to spend all day here, and I'm doing it, as you've seen, for fifth or something time, so I will do a dirty shortcut. So let me close it. The problem was that the evaporation was causing a limit of the temperature. So now we have water around 50 degrees Celsius and tea light heater. So we'll put it on top, and it looks like I'm asking for trouble, but Let's watch. And you can see that the temperature is rising. I also have a graph here that I will be able to show you later on. So let's wait and see what happens. And here we are reaching 80. You can see on the graph that the thing actually slows down a bit, and you see 80. So it is not linear, as we are losing more and more heat on the side of this thing. It's probably pretty warm. Yeah, we are getting close to 90, but the curve is flattening, so I'm afraid we might not reach 100, but let's be optimistic. 99. I want to see 100. Yes, yes, we have it. And now we can see what's wrong with the thing. I will take the lid off so we can see inside. Yeah, you can see we have boiling water. We have boiling water. And it didn't melt as a whole thing. Probably this is just the vapor condensation down there. We'll see once it gets a bit colder. And the final design, getting back to the original idea of tea light, and this thing actually worked. Was the whole thing practical? Not at all. Was it fun? Absolutely yes. So I proved that you can boil water in a plastic printed container, neither safe nor practical, but for the sake of experiment, we've made it. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button, the bell, leave a comment if you like, and happy printing. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.